Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock elements on Canva. To lock elements in Canva, ensuring they remain in place while you work on your design, follow the steps. Launch open the Canva application or website and log into your account first. Once you're inside the home section, go ahead and create a new design or select a recent design where you want to lock the element. Now, as you can see that I can move the element that I've selected since it is not locked. And while making a design, I may accidentally move these elements and they may be out of place, which can be a pretty much of a hassle later on. So in order to prevent that, you would just want to lock the element so that it cannot be moved around the screen. Simply tap on the element from your project and then you will be able to see a little pop-up appearing right above it. Click the little three dots right in the pop-up and then click on the lock button in the pop-up at the bottom. Now once you lock the particular element, you can see that you cannot move it with the help of your finger, or it cannot be moved along the page like the other unlocked one. If you want to lock multiple elements, you can repeat the step. Simply select the element, tap on the three dot and then click on the lock button. So once you do that, you will be able to put it in place when you move or edit other parts of your design. This feature is available in both free and pro version of Canva, so that is how you can easily lock elements in Canva so that they remain in place while you work on your design. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.